Today you'll learn how long it takes to basically understand how long a void fill takes after piers are installed and lifted. Depending on how many piers there are in a house that is being lifted is how much we do. For example, the house we're at had 25 piers being lifted. So we basically did the whole perimeter of the inside of the house, and it took about 3 to 4 hours. Smaller jobs take a little less time. It just depends really how much lift you get for one, and then if it's stabilization or not on the other. That's pretty much how long it takes. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like to learn more about production, go to our learning center.